Hi everyone. So for my Vosge 900 I didn't get side cases with the bike, and the dealer couldn't deliver them either, because I was one of the first to receive the bike, and there were some logistics problems. And I was riding with panniers, so soft luggage, last year, but this year I thought to myself, I'm not really going off-road with this 250 kilograms bike anyway, so let's look at the side cases. And they are surprisingly expensive, maybe because this side they have an angle, and on the new models the other side is flat. So I don't know, and they are nothing special, so just aluminum and a little lining inside. And I thought to myself, how hard can it be? So I designed it in 3D, although it was not really necessary, and I also printed parts which now I know are also not necessary, because these air brackets can be replaced with these wood. So these are brass, but these are for wood, these L-shaped brackets. And then these corners, they can be ordered from AliExpress. If you search motorcycle side case corner, I think, then you will find them, or you just search furniture corner cover, and then you find these. They are dirt cheap. Also, in the beginning I thought I will 3D print these edges, but then I remembered that you can buy these L-shaped profiles in any hardware store. These are 25 by 25 millimeter, and the thickness is like 1.5, and I will put more here to make the box strong. Now this is ABS plastic, 3 millimeter thick. It is a nice pattern. It's also dirt cheap, like the 2 square meter sheet is was maybe 80 euros with delivery, home delivery, and the delivery costs like half of the price of the sheet. So yeah, and I will make it waterproof with the PU sealant. I will show it in the next video, and I will also show you the lid, which will have a keyed lock. Alright, see you in the next one. On the bags out.